lipstick on my teeth. If I do, make sure y'all call me out in the comments. What's up guys, it's your girl Naima Najita and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a review all about these products from Bounce Curl that they sent me. This video is gonna be all about Bounce Curl's review, and as you can see, my hair is popping. Okay, the results are so fire, but make sure you stay to the end of the video to see how I achieved these results and how I got this twist out here using their leave-in conditioner and defining butter. It looks like this. If you guys do decide to try these products, please tag me in any pictures, DM me, let me know how they have worked for you. I will be posting videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. Make sure you subscribe if you want to join the family. If you like what you see so far, please be sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it if you guys join the family. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe on this video. Tell a friend and tell a friend to watch my channel, my videos, and let's get straight into the video, y'all. Alright, so let's get into the details. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. This is my mane. This is what my mane looks like. No product, nothing in it. I love how it looks like a fro. It could look like a fro, it could look like, you know, curly hair. It's so versatile. But I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair. Y'all know I love to do my 4 sections, and we're gonna go in next with water. In order for the products to properly penetrate and for your hair to come out with the best optimal results, please saturate your hair with water and work in sections. I cannot stress this enough. This definitely will have a difference in how your hair comes out in the end. And I'm just making sure my hair is fully saturated, soaking wet. And next I'm going in with the Bounce Curl leave-in conditioner. As you can see, this is on the medium hold side, but it really defined my hair and left it moisturized. This has medium moisture, but it has great ingredients in it like fenugreek, olive oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, neroli oil, and is great to use as a primer underneath any hair products. When I was first using these products, I was kind of scared because I felt like it was a little too lightweight for my hair, and you know, I have very thick type 4 hair, so I was kind of scared to use these, but in the end the results came out popping. But here I'm just showing you guys the defining butter. This is the icing on the cake for me. It's very thick, but it's also lightweight at the same time. Like, it's not too heavy to where it weighs your hair down, but your hair obviously will be moisturized after using these products together. And I like the ingredients in these products. For the defining butter, it has muro butter and baobab oil, and it also has shea butter and castor seed oil. Bomb ingredients, and it's perfect for you type 4 haired beauty curly queens out there. And I just love how thick this product is. A little goes a long way. I'm just learning not to be, you know, too heavy-handed because it's unnecessary. But I just loved how these products made my hair feel, and you're gonna see in the end, obviously. The results came out bomb. I was a little bit worried, like I said, but in the end it all worked out. You just gotta trust the process sometimes with natural hair, because sometimes you don't know if it's gonna come out good or bad. And yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to trying the other products from their line, especially their cream gel. And here I'm just showing you guys the process all over again. You can see how defined my curls are and how moisturized and shiny my hair is. And my hair has definitely come a long way since my chop in November. And just make sure you twirl the ends. You want to make sure that the twists are tight. You don't want loose twists. It's not going to look right. You're going to get a different type of curl pattern. But I like making my twists very tight. As you can see, my hair is super shiny. This is my hair wet, and the product is still on the top. this is my hair dry, and the shine like can just come through. Y'all see the shine? Like what? And obviously shrinkage is real. My hair dries, but I can tell at this point that I'm about to get some bomb results. So I'm gonna go in with a lightweight oil and just seal my hair off using the LCO method to lock in all that moisture. As you can see, I'm carefully trying to separate my twists. The more you separate it, the more volume you will get. So depending on how you want your fro to look, that's how much you would separate your hair. But as you can see here, my twists are pretty easy to separate because my hair is thoroughly detangled. You want to make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled before twisting any hair. And here is like a big chunk of my twist that I wanted to show you guys. The shine, the definition is on point, and I just have some healthy hair on my head. Like literally, I'm so proud of my progress and my journey and how far I've come with taking care of my hair. And when you love your hair, it will love you back. And here I'm just shaking out my roots. I don't really go in with a pick. Like this is my natural volume, and I just fluff it out to my liking. Sometimes I'll go back in and take out more, separate more twists, but it all depends on the look that I'm going for. And as you can see, it's already big on its own. I don't really need to do much, and it's looking phenomenal. Popping results, shiny, healthy, defined curls, and this is me. As you can see, I love my results, and especially after I thought it wasn't gonna be a lose, but as you can see, it looks really good. I'm happy with it. Definitely will revisit these products and enjoy, like, you know, this little modeling action type situation segment going on, because I'm feeling the look, okay? Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be sure that I put out more hair videos. You guys love my wash day routine, so thank you guys so much for the support and love on that video. I'll be sure to put out more videos. If you guys have any hair suggestions, hair videos, please leave them in the comments down below so I could be sure to make those kind of videos for you guys. It's all about what you guys want to see, and I'm here to give you that. So please don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe as usual, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye, y'all.